first. Eject the magazine. This little button right here, hit it, flip it over. The gun comes apart real easy, if you can see. The base is no longer needed. Now we gotta gut the gun, take it apart, the spring, the metal bar, now the barrel. Barrel. There's this little black piece you gotta be really sensitive with taking it out. And there you have it. That's it, broke down. Easy, simple. This little black piece. Goes in like so. So you hear the click. Put the barrel back in the slot. Make sure everything is in the right place. Put the rod back into the spring, put the spring first. Hold it on back, lock it, flip that switch, make sure the button is sticking out. And there you have it.